Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look through Kirkland's at their Halloween and fall offerings. Kirkland's is a great place for discounts, and right now it looks like they have 30% off your entire purchase. I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. As we walk through the doors here, we are met with some Halloween items. We've got a couple of light-up jack-o'-lantern things here. Looks like we are starting off a little pricey. That one's $50, but remember, 30% off right now, if you go quickly, is going to run you about $35. In the wrapping there is a spider. You get a fuller version of it here on top of the mirror. A couple of other probably cheaper pumpkin options, and then we have a little ghost on a stake. I have to admit, I like the look of him. He's very cute, kind of looks like a popsicle. All right, we've got some other light-up jack-o'-lantern options, more of the tin version, and of course pillows. I love this little ghost-shaped pillow. He ran about $25 before 30% off. We have some door mats, and look at this one, Happy Haunting, with again these cute little ghosts. Got some retro vibing going on with that sign. And then a lot of little tchotchke items, like a little Halloween village there, another Happy Haunting pillow, love that. And I particularly like this ghost. It looks like just a simple sheet ghost on a black canvas. I might DIY that myself. All right, more of these interesting shaped pillows, love those. We got some ghosts. Some ghost garland, a little dog holding a pumpkin. I think we're going to see some dogs throughout the store. That's pretty much a theme, it looks like, for them this season. Resting witch face. Witch, please. All right. I like the pillows, but, we have seen those phrases over and over. All right, now brace yourself. I think most of the rest of this video, honestly, is more fall-oriented. They do have a great deal on candles. I think these candles were $13. In fact, I know they are because I bought that one. It was pumpkin spice, and I am ready for fall, so I need to get in the mood. Over here, we have a wall full of initial pumpkins. That's not the only wall. We're going to see that again later in a slightly different font. They do have some of these. I'm happy that they're not velvet pumpkins. $5 for this little one, a little bit more for the bigger ones. Not too bad. These are on sale. I'm not sure if the 30% off, it says entire purchase. I assume that is... In fact, there's another sign right there. I assume that applies to the sale items too. So that could be a pretty good deal. Here's some more dogs. This one's carrying a little basket of pumpkins. How cute. I love these sort of misshapen, not that normal, typical pumpkin shape. They're just so much more interesting. I can't wait for them to be more mainstream, and then the prices will, of course, come down and make us all happy. If you don't like this Halloween pillows, they do have an abundance of regular style pillows as well. And of course, pumpkins in every sort of material and design possible. Here are some more scented candles. I like the idea of the set, but I wanted the big one. In fact, the one that I bought, I'll show you at the end of the video, had a nice pattern in the glass, which I thought was really nice. And it was only $13 after 30% discount is 9 something. I love it. All right, we've got candle warmer here. If you don't want the full candle route, little things to put in bowls, and somehow I missed these witches' shoes. They're $25. I feel like we can get those in a lot of stores, probably those discount home goods, at-home style stores. Might be able to get that a little bit cheaper. You know I'm all about that for you guys, so we will take a look at all those other stores coming up here pretty soon. Looks like we do have just a little bit more merchandise, more pumpkin pillows and art. I particularly like the pattern of that pumpkin artwork there, but the wreaths, as usual in my video, indicate we are coming to an end. Before we go, I did want to say a special thank you to all the patrons who help support the channel. If you're interested in joining our Fright Club, be sure to check out a link to my Patreon page in the description below. And that's going to do it for this video, but we have plenty more store walkthroughs coming ahead, also some product reviews, DIYs, and much, much more. So if you haven't taken a moment to subscribe yet, I do invite you to do so now. I really appreciate it as we inch ever closer to that elusive 100,000 subscriber mark. We'll get there someday, and I can't wait to share it with you. Till then, take care, and happy haunting.